This 2021 Entegra Coach Odyssey 24B is a Class C RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Entegra coach is 26 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 8, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, oven, refrigerator, smoke detector, DVD player, water heater, LP detector, external shower, and 47 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features couples coach. This 2021 Entegra Coach Odyssey 24B is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.